Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Today we're talking Rambutans. And you're probably wondering, what the heck is a rambutan? Well, you might see these out and about when you're going to the store this time of year. It has a relatively short season, and people get a little intimidated by them because they look super spiky, where actually they're very, very soft. And you're thinking, well, like my friend would say, what the heck is that, Cindy? I've never seen that before. It looks like a choking hazard. Well, you don't eat the outside, but I'll show you how to eat the delicious fruit inside. And so we're just going to put those over here like this. And all you do is you take a knife and you put one down and you just cut through that outer layer. It's like a little hole. Not all the way through. And then you just pull off one side like that. And if you want, you can just squeeze it out like that. It's kind of fun. And you'll think, oh wow, you can just pop that in your mouth. Well, you can, but there is quite the pit inside. So you want to be careful with that pit. So I'll show you, just take a bite. And you can see that pit inside. And they're super juicy. Tastes like a grape. Low in calories, actually. Very high in fiber and very high in antioxidants. So next time you're out shopping and you come across these fuzzy guys, give them a shot. They're quite delicious.